Hello everyone, this is what I did today on my one of my dresses. It's a beautiful neck design, knitting. So if you want to see how I achieved this, go ahead and keep watching. So the things you are going to be needing in order to achieve that look is a pear bead in size 6 mm, a scissor, sewing thread, and a beading needle. Inside is 11, it's very small. So without wasting any time, I threaded my needle offline and not the ends of the thread. So what you're going to be doing is you put the needle through the other side of the dress, you bring it out this side, and you put three of the pear beads on the needle that you have threaded, like so. Three. You draw it like so, you leave half an inch. You pull your needle through the other side of the dress, like so. You drag it, like make sure it's very secure. Then you put the needle in the last bead, put the needle through the last bead upwards. Then you draw it again, like that. Make sure it's very tight so that it doesn't lose shape, it doesn't look somehow, because if it's not strong it's going to slack back. So the second time you're going to be putting just two beads, like so. Two of the beads on your thread, leave half an inch again. You pinch a very small portion. Don't go and put the needle very deep in the dress, it's not going to be looking nice. So the secret there is to make sure that it's very tight. So whenever you bead anyone, just make sure it's very secure. Just tighten it so that it's very tight, not too tight, guys. So yeah, you put two beads on the needle and you leave half an inch. You put the needle through the dress to the other side. You put it back in the last bead, the last bead that you have put. Then you draw it. Make sure it's very tight. That's just the secret. So I'm going to leave you guys to watch it carefully so that you understand exactly what I'm doing. Yeah, like so. Two beads. You put the needle on the dress towards the other side. You drag it and put back in the last bead. That's all. You do it continuously until you are done with the portion of the dress you want to do it. You can do it on your sleeve, the sleeve of your clothes. You can do it on the neck, and you can do it on the ends. It depends on what you want. So that is just it, guys. You continue like that until you are done beading the entire portion of the dress that you want to bead it. So yeah. So now I'm already done beading this other side. So what I'm going to do is to just repeat the same process on the other side of the dress. Yeah, you can see it's very nice. You repeat the same thing on the other side of the dress because it's a v-neck design. Yeah, from yeah, just like that. Do the same thing until you are done beading the whole place that you want to bead. It's very simple. Yeah, guys, at this point I was almost done, and yeah, I like how it turned out to be very easy and simple. I didn't use the particular color of bead on this because this is what I have at hand. I would have used the color of my dress. I believe it would have been better that way. So I'm done, guys. Yeah, almost done. So another thing, when you're already finished beading, the another thing that's very important is how you knot your thread. If you didn't knot it very well, the whole thing is going to unravel. So let me show you guys how I knotted my own. Yeah, that's the last portion. Then you turn it over like that. You take it very, you pinch it a little, then you knot it. I did that twice to make sure it's fastened and secure. Yeah, and I cut the thread. So that is it for this video, guys, and I like how it turned out to be. To me, it's beautiful, just that it's not the color, but this is just for illustration. I just use this color to illustrate how you would do it on on your neck. Yes, I like how it turned out. Yeah, thank you guys for watching.